Hello mga ka-dreamers! Welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel na This at Makeup, and for today's video po, samahan niyo po ako kasi may part-time ako ngayon. Makeup yon sa isang teenage celebrity chef dito sa UAE, si Bella. Siya yung regular na mini-makeupan ko kasi Dubai Food Festival ngayon, week, and pinag-uusapan lang namin ni Mercy na nagpa-part-time nga ako dun sa Dubai Festival. And then after that vlog, kinagabihan nun, tinawagan nila ako and gusto daw nila uli akong kunin. Actually, pinapablock nila yung schedule ko for 15 days. Kaso hindi kaya ng trabaho ko kasi meron kaming special event sa Sephora for the whole month of February. And pinapablock niya from 26th of February until March 9. Yung March 1 to 9 naman, hindi naman pwede kasi nauna nag-file yung kasamahan ko sa work na magli-leave siya. Ayoko namang magkaroon ng problema, kaya hinayaan ko na lang. Sabi ko, kung kailan yung mga flexible na oras ako, ibibigay ko sa kanila, tapos maybe we can work it out according dun sa mga timings. Pag off day ko, tapos pag halimbawa morning or evening shift ako, kailangan nila yung service ko, pupunta ako. Ayun. And then, kung hindi naman, yung isang kaibigan ko na nagme-makeup din, yun yung gagawa. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga clips and glimpse nung food festival and yung paano ako nagpa-part-time. Panoorin po ninyo. So, ayan, papunta na tayo ng train station. Tapos, dala ko na yung, ayan, yung makeup. Light makeup lang naman yun kasi teen. Kaya, konti lang yung dala natin. Magte-train na lang tayo. Kasi maaga pa naman. Mamaya makikilala nyo si Bella. Australian siya na celebrity chef dito. Na teenager. Tapos, for 2 years ko na siyang ginagawa na makeup. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hi everyone! Hi. I'm with Bella right now.
Long time.
Long time. I'm the only one who's doing her makeup.
Yeah.
So, panoorin po ninyo.
Like rosy, and also can roam freely. It's also filled with 100% natural ingredients, so no preservatives and no artificial ingredients.
That is very important, by the way. No preservatives and no artificial flavor. It's all natural, right? And it's very healthy too.
And it doesn't stop there. They're also enriched with vitamins and also a ton of calcium for strong, healthy bones.
That's what I'm talking about. But first things first, can I borrow your hat? That's cool. With permission. All right, so what flavor are we making right at this very point?
So the smoothie recipe today is going to be banana bread smoothie. So it's pretty much going to taste exactly like banana bread in a smoothie. So,
Banana bread smoothie. All right, that sounds very exciting. Let's get it started.
yeah. So it's super easy, super delicious, and also super healthy. So everyone should enjoy it.
That's right. But first things first, we're going to introduce the mascots, all right? So to my left, this is Rosie. Rosie, say hello to everybody. Okay, and here to our right, the one that looks like a tree, that is Abby. All right, and behind us is Doobie. Doobie, say hello. That's what's up. Everybody, come on, clap your hands. Oh, come on, where's the Abby?
Hi! Vlog tayo.
Yes, ito ay ako.
Free ngayon ng mga food dito sa Dubai Food Festival. Tatry natin. Ayan, oh. Try natin yan. Yes! Gusto mo rin? Try natin. Oh! Galing! Cheetos. Okay.
Tignan mo, kayo yung tas yan naman, mas ano yung puso.
Oh! Kaya doon nakabuka yung bibig.
Oo.
Try natin yung Burger Beach.
Ako yung kasama mo.
Okay.
Oo, to. Parang sabi niya, parang kalong init eh.
Sobrang gamig.
Lamig nga siya. Lamig siya. Ayoko.
Free lahat ng food dito sa Food Festival. Ako chicken. Bre. So buti na lang. Free ang food. Kaya ang ginaw. Chicken. Burger. Churros. Kasi dry run just sa Food Festival. So lahat ng mga restaurant na pop-up store, free yung food. Harap. Free. Thank you. Tama natin sa vlog. Oh, magay ka. Isusend ko kalaina. Bro. Saddle. Pistachio smoothie. Shawarma. So this is what I did on Bella.
Very nice. Very good makeup artist.
Celebrity chef.
Bye, Lakno.
Salamat.
Salamat.
I won't let go, no. I'll be your lifeline tonight. No, I won't let go.
Free ang kape, free ang corn. Try natin. Ayaw. Masyado against the light. Hi! So, Mexican corn na may Cheetos. Sarap. So, magpo-food trip ako mag-isa. Umalis na si Bella. May ikot-ikot pa ako para kumain. Sausaw natin. Hi guys! Pauwi na ako. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin ngayong araw sa vlog natin. Thank you so much. May mga araw pa na babalik ako dito para mag-makeup ulit kay Bella. Ayun lang, baka mabisi tayo this week. ayun lang, maraming salamat and lagi kayo mag-iingat. God bless. Bye-bye.